Hello students, we have completed our two chapters. Now we are going to start our third chapter, and that chapter name is animal fiber. So before going through the chapter, I want to discuss some basic things like as fiber. Some basic things. The first one is fiber. What is fiber? So first of all, we have to know what is fiber. So any thread-like material, the thread-like material that is found in any cloth is called fiber. Suppose that you take a cloth, piece of cloth, and when you will unwound it, you will get very fine threads. And when you will unroll that thread, then you will get more fine particles, more fine thread. And that thread is called fiber. The thread-like structure found in any cloth is called fiber. Now this fiber is categorized into two categories. First one is natural and second one is synthetic. So let's have a small description about it. Natural fiber. So natural fiber are those fiber that we get from the nature. Means the fiber that we can obtain it from natural things, and that is called natural fiber. Synthetic fiber, the fiber that we will not get from natural things. Maybe only some amount of natural things will be included, but that will be made in factory using chemicals by the polymerization of various chemicals. Then that fiber is called synthetic fiber, or you can say artificial fiber. Artificial. It have various names: artificial, man-made, etc. So these are the synthetic fibers. Okay. Now this natural fiber is again categorized into two categories. First one is plant fiber. And second one is animal fiber. Now here you can see that this is our topic. This one we have to study in this chapter, and that is animal fiber. So first of all, plant fiber. What are plant fiber? The fiber that we get from the plants. Plant is the natural things. So the fiber that we get from the plants, that is called plant fiber. For example, cotton, jute, etc. From where do we get cotton? We get cotton from cotton plant, jute from jute plant. So these are the plant fibers. Okay. Now animal fiber. In this animal fiber, the fiber that we get from the animals are called animal fiber. Animal fiber is also natural fiber. Why? Because animals are also the natural thing, not a synthetic material. So the fiber that we get from animals is called animal fiber. For example, silk, wool, etc. Okay. So these are some common things, some basic points that we have to discuss, that we have to know before starting this chapter. So this was fiber is categorized into two categories: natural and natural and synthetic. Then natural is categorized into two categories: plant and animal. Now this animal fiber, we will go through the brief description about this in our next session. Okay.